Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be a limited edition unboxing and it's for the Glossybox Easter egg, and this is what it looks like. Really cute, about the size of my head, maybe a little bit smaller. But that's what it looks like there. So inside contains 7 beauty items with a value of around £80. If you're a subscriber to Glossybox, their monthly beauty subscription box, you can buy this egg for £25 and it goes on sale on Tuesday the 9th of April at 1 o'clock. That's the launch. But if you're not a subscriber to their beauty box, you can purchase this egg at £30 and it'll go on sale on their website at 7 o'clock on the 9th of April. If it's something that takes your fancy, then go and buy previous limited edition boxes that Glossybox have done. They sell out super fast. The Mother's Day box, which I unboxed on my channel, beautiful box, sold out in like 30 minutes. So you have to get in there quick. So I will put links down below. I'll click on the show more, which is beneath the video. It'll bring up my description and everything related to Glossybox. If you want to subscribe to their monthly subscription box, or if you're just interested in just this Easter egg and you want to sign up for updates on the Easter egg, then it'll all be down there. So you're welcome to take a look there. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. Ooh, so that's what it looks like there. Lots of products jam-packed in there. Now when I received this, I couldn't help myself. Normally I like a surprise and I don't know why. I keep opening boxes recently, but I opened this up and I thought, oh my gosh, so I took it all out. I couldn't put it back in. It took me a good while to work out a strategic plan on how to like fit everything all in together, but those are all the items there anyway. So I'll take an item out, show you, and refer to this little card here. On this card it tells you everything about the products. It tells you whether it's deluxe or whether it's a full-size product, and it tells you the price as well. And also I noticed that it says if you're not a Glossybox subscriber, you can get 40% off your first box using this really long code. It's up there, but I'll write that down below in the description. So I would have put a 20% off code down below, but obviously 40% is much better, so I'll put that down there after. So the first item is some eyelashes. That's what they look like there. I'll just take the cellophane off. So these are Bare Necessities 3D strip lashes by the brand Sync. I think that's how you say it. I've never heard of this brand before, but that's what they look like there. So you can see they're quite fluffy. They're really pretty. Definitely sort of style that I would go for, but I trim mine. I trim all of them down. I trim them by about up there. So I trim off quite a bit because I think I've got quite small eyes, and I find if I put them on as they are, they just annoy the heck out of me in the corners of my eyes. But no, I love the way that it's quite fluffy, and yeah, the band isn't too thick as well. So no, I really like them. The recommended retail price for these are £10, and it says brought to you by our very own professional makeup artist, Lucinka. These extra fluffy and multi-layered lashes are a bare necessity for your makeup bag. Made from 3D silk, they create a subtle yet glamorous look and enhance the natural beauty of your eyes. So that's the first item. Next, you got a hair product, and this is by Lee Stafford, and this is Choco Locks Gloss Boss. The perfect polish for high shine locks that smell so scrumptiously chocolatey. Hair is almost good enough to eat. Your guilt-free chocolate fix. And this is 100ml. Oh wow, I've never ever seen this before. I don't know if it's a new product out or not, but wow, I don't know. So it says, spray from a full arm's length onto dry hair. Start with a couple of sprays and gradually layer to taste. Concentrate on the mid-depths and lens. Okay, for finer hair, spray up into the air and swish the lengths of hair into the falling spray. Let the gloss boss settle subtly, avoiding the roots. Each spritz of this high shine treat takes you to a naughty chocolate paradise. Right, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. Arm's length, isn't it? That's what it says. Ooh. Oh, it smells like hot chocolate. I don't know if it's making my locks shine or anything, but I've got my halo extension on as well there. But no, oh, that smells gorgeous. I need to read up a little bit more about that, I think, to see how I'm supposed to use it really. But I think that's what you're supposed to do, is just spray it and take in the smell. So the recommended retail price for this is £6.99 and you can buy it from Boots. And it says, the absolute boss of gloss. No style is complete without this luxurious glossing mist. With a heavenly chocolate fragrance, this lightweight glosser can be spritzed over your starred locks to give them an intense shot of shine and an iridescent finish. Ooh. So no, that is really different. I love the fact that it smells chocolate, and it does. It smells like hot chocolate. You know, before you put in your milk or water, just when you open up the hot chocolate and you have a sniff. That's what it smells like. So that's the second item. Next, we've got a Pixie Glow Tonic. This is 100ml, 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. That's what that looks like there. I love this. I've got this and it's brilliant. I use it at night because it's an acid. If your skins aren't used to acids, then you need to go in carefully. It can feel a bit irritating at first, so I'd recommend doing it at night time when I tend to do mine. It's supposed to help your skin's texture. It's supposed to like bring back glow and brighten your skin, and it can help with like fine lines and things like that as well. I love it. It did take me a while to get used to it because my skin isn't used to acids, but now I use it at night. It's fine. So the recommended retail price for this is £10, and it says, another of our Glossy's favourite, this exfoliating toner by Pixie will give you a bright and glowing complexion. Glycolic acid gently buffs away dry cells, while aloe vera, ginseng and botanical extracts work together to nourish and hydrate your skin. So that's that item. Next, we've got a Living Proof Style Lab Prime Style Extender, and this is 30ml. So it looks like there. So this is for your hair. Extends styles up to 2 times longer. Plus it keeps hair cleaner longer by repelling dirt and oil. Wow. Save time and forget the touch-ups. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen anything like this either before. I haven't tried anything like this before. So this is a deluxe mini, and the recommended retail price for this is £5. To buy the full size 148ml, it would cost you £21. So it says, this lightweight hair primer creates a perfect base for any hairstyle. It not only repels dirt and oil, but it also makes your hairdo last twice as long. Simply comb it through your damp locks from root to tip before blow drying. So for me, I think I would put that on before I do like curls. I like to have my hair down sometimes, and I like to wave it with like a big barrel tong, and I quite like it. And the next morning I usually have to tie my hair up out the way because it just doesn't look that nice the morning after. But maybe with this it might hold that bounce, hold that look, and I don't mind it looking a bit shaggy because I quite like sort of messy hairstyles or messy big wave beachy type hair. So no, I'm really excited to try that. I've never seen anything like that before. So that's that product. Then we got mascara. Now this is amazing. It is absolutely amazing, but it's a flipping nightmare to get off your lashes unless you've got a really nice sort of makeup cleansing balm, then you're fine. But no, as far as mascara goes, oh my god, it is brilliant. And it's a Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So I've done some video reviews on this and I love it. It came out last year, I believe, or something like that. It gives you the blackest of blackest lashes. I don't know any other mascara that gives you lashes as black as Bad Girl Bang. And it elongates and it lengthens, but you have to be careful because if you add, say, 1 layer and it looks nice, you can definitely tell you got lashes, even on lashes like myself. And if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that mascaras are a bit of a nightmare for me. But with this one, with the first coat, you can really tell, which is nice. But if you add on extra layers, which I tend to go for, because I do like a little bit of thickness, not big clumps, but thickness, but too many layers and this does clump a bit. You need to test it out. You need to see how far you can push your lashes to your desired effect, so to speak. But yeah, definitely 1 or 2 coats and they're perfect. But yeah, I haven't got one at the moment, so I'm really chuffed to have this in the box now because it's handy, especially in summer, because it is waterproof, and that is why it is hard work to get off. So you need a really, really good cleansing balm. But yeah, enough of me chatting. What's it say in here? So this is a travel size, and the recommended retail price for this is £4, and you can buy them this size. And the full size would cost you £22. This jet black mascara is a favourite among our Glossy subscribers, and it's no surprise why. Formulated with weightless aero particles that create intense volume, as well as pro vitamin B5 that naturally thickens your lashes, this volumizing mascara will give you a dramatic, out of the world eye look. So that's that item there. Next we've got a Illamasqua product, and this is Iconic Chrome's Pigment Paint. And that's the outer packaging. Oh, wow. This is like a burgundy. Would look good with my makeup that I've got on today, actually. Like a burgundy sort of colour. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Really pretty. Oh my word. I was expecting it to be a loose pigment, but it's not. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my word. Look at that. Look at that colour. You're full on metallic. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's almost like a cream. I wasn't expecting that at all. Look, I'm just blending it all out on my hands now. There. Can you see there? Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price for this is £22. Boasting a creamy and highly pigmented formula, this metallic eyeshadow glides on effortlessly. Delicately sweep this iridescent hue across your lids to create a subtle look or layer it to build dramatic multi-dimensional effect. The colour payoff is amazing. That is so, so pretty. So no, I'm really chuffed for that. So the next item is a Saint-Tropez and this is Self Tan Purity and this is 24ml. This is a bronzing water gel, naturally looking glow in 3 hours. So that's what it looks like there. Now I've tried the spray, the actual facial spray, and I love it, absolutely love it. I love Saint-Tropez anyway, but the good thing about their Purity range is the fact that it doesn't give off a nasty smell, so you can put it on in the morning, say before you go to work or about your day, and it's not going to affect your clothes. You're not going to have lots of streaky nasties on your legs and things like that. It's quite a natural, buildable, gradual tan, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Well, the spray does anyway. I'm not going to test this out because I don't want to have a brown blob on my hand, but no, I'm looking forward to trying that. So this is a deluxe mini and this will cost you £4. To buy the 200ml it'll cost you £33. The latest addition to the Saint-Tropez Purity range, this clear tanning gel will give you a natural golden glow in just 3 hours. Its unique gel to water texture absorbs into the skin instantly for up to 72 hours hydration. With no rinse, no transfer, no stickiness, award-winning tropical scent, you can simply apply and glow. So not a large item, so not enough to do a full body, but enough to do, like, say your head and shoulders or your legs, something like that, so you can have a try, and then if you really like it then you can go out and buy the full size one then. So yeah, definitely a try before you buy type product there. I read it wrong. I read the bump that said it contained 7 products, but it also said it contained products by Benefit and Pixie and 7 other items. We've actually got 9 items in this little egg, so I thought that was it then, but no, we got 2 more items, and we've got a Patchology and it's a face mask, and this is a Soothe 5-minute flash mask, and it contains aloe vera, cottonseed and schisandra berry. So that's what it looks like there. Calm, cool, collected, treat your skin to the loving care it deserves. Our innovative sheet mimics the aloe vera plant to calm and soothe troubled skin. Created with the best ingredients from Mother Nature's medicine cabinet, this mask is your 5-minute remedy. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £8, and it says, bursting with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, this innovative sheet mask calms and repairs irritated skin. I've just read that, haven't I? Never mind. It combines aloe vera and cottonseed extract to fight against free radical damage while also soothing and moisturising your complexion for a plump, youthful glow. And it's a 5-minute sheet mask. So that's our 8th item. And then the last item is our handy item, especially if you like fake tanning. And it's a mitt. It's a Saint-Tropez Prep and Maintain Velvet Luxe Tan Applicator Mitt. So that's what it looks like there. I'll just pull it out of the bag for you. See that there? It's all fluffy and soft. And on the inside, which I like, you've got like a protective layer there, because there's nothing worse, because you do have some mitts out there that don't have this sort of like waterproof protective layer. So when you put your hand in there and you've got your fake tan on, you're rubbing around, you take your hand out and you've still got loads of fake tan on your hands. So I always try and look for one that has one like that. I've just bought one recently. I think it's a Bondi Sands one as well, and that's a good one. But no, I've got 2 now. It's obviously to apply fake tan to your body, and it's to do it so that it blends in nicely as well, and also to protect your hands. So obviously this is full size, and the recommended retail price is £5. The perfect accessory to your bronzing water gel. This soft velvety applicator mitt helps you achieve a flawless streak-free tan with stain-free hands. Simply pump your bronzing gel onto the mitt, then apply to your skin in circular motions to evenly distribute the tan. So those are all the items. I'm just going to grab them one by one to do a little bit of a recap. Now I can't remember the order they came in because I'm just grabbing items as they come, but I remember the eyelashes were first. And we've got the gorgeous Exceptional Eyelashes by Think Sync. Then we got the Chocolox Lee Stafford Gloss Shine Spray. Then we got a Living Proof Prime Style Extender. And we got a Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And then we got a Pixie Glow Tonic. Then we got a gorgeous Illamasqua Iconic Chromes Pigment Eyeshadow. Then we got the Saint-Tropez Purity Self Tan Gel. Then we've got a Patchology Sheet Mask. And finally, we've got the Saint-Tropez Fake Tan Mitt there. So those are all the items. I think there's a great mix there. I'm really excited to try the Illamasqua eyeshadow. That is stunning. And the Living Proof hair product as well. See how it extends my hairstyle and to keep it clean. So yeah, really excited to try all those. So altogether, a really good mix. I can't believe how they could fit 9 products in the little egg. I was completely shocked, but it was a bit of a nightmare trying to get them all back in just to show you what the egg looks like closed, because yeah, that's what you want to see, isn't it? You don't want to just see the products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this beauty Easter egg? Are you getting a beauty related Easter gift for yourself or for someone else? And would a Glossybox Easter egg be something you're interested in? I'd love to know. Even if you don't like this egg, I would love to know. I just love reading all your different comments and opinions and things. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.